Hold an A major chord with the index finger barring across fret 2 of strings 4, 3 and 2. Play string 5, 2, 3, 4. Play string 2, 3, 4, 2. Repeat the first half of the bar. Bar 2 is the same as bar 1. Here's the intro. Bar 3 is similar to bar 2, but play string 2 open on the final note while changing to the B minor chord. Hold a B minor chord with the index finger barring across fret 2 of the top 5 strings. Ring finger on fret 4 of string 4, little finger on fret 4 of string 3, and middle finger on fret 3 of string 2. Play the same picking pattern as the previous bars, and on the final note play string 2 open while changing to the A chord. Bars 5 and 6 are the same as bars 3 and 4. Bar 7 is the same as bar 5. Hold a C sharp minor chord with the index finger barring across fret 4 of the top 5 strings, ring finger on fret 6 of string 4, little finger on fret 6 of string 3, and middle finger on fret 5 of string 2. Play the same picking pattern as the previous bars up until the final quarter note, where the ring finger slides down from fret 6 to fret 4 of string 4. Bar 9 is the same as bar 6. Hold a D major chord with the index finger on fret 2 of string 3, ring finger on fret 3 of string 2, and middle finger on fret 2 of string 1. Play string 4, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, then while changing to the D minor chord, play string 1 open. Hold a D minor chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 3, little finger on fret 3 of string 2, and index finger on fret 1 of string 1. Play string 4, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, then while changing to the A chord, play string 1 open. Bars 11 and 12 are the same as bars 5 and 6. Here's verse 1. Bars 13 to 19 are the same as bars 3 to 9. Hold a D major chord and play string 4, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, then while changing to the C sharp minor chord, play string 2 open. Hold a C sharp minor chord and play string 5, 2, 3, 4. Play string 2, 3, 4, then slide the ring finger from fret 6 to fret 4 of string 4. Bar 21 is the same as bar 19. Hold an F sharp minor chord with the index finger barring across all 6 strings of fret 2, ring finger on fret 4 of string 5, and little finger on fret 4 of string 4. Play string 6, 2, 3, 4. Play string 2, 3, 4, 2. Repeat the first half of the bar. Bars 23 and 24 are the same as bars 21 and 22. Bar 25 is the same as bar 17. Hold an E major chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 5, ring finger on fret 2 of string 4, and index finger on fret 1 of string 3. Play string 6, 2, 3, 4. Play string 2, 3, 4, 2. Repeat the first half of the bar. Here's verse 2. Verse 3 is the same as verse 1, and the song ends with a single open note played on string 5. Here's verse 3.